Now we are discussing about cotton buds making, how it will be done. We are discussing about small scale business opportunities, and especially in that manufacturing units we are discussing. In that cotton bud making, this is one of the small and labor intensive unit to make a simple but a moving product. There are a lot of competitors, but the use and throw nature keeps the demand for the same high. So the very good competitors will be there in this because it is easy to make, but it is cost effective, and as well as it can be useful according to the demand. And the next point is, how are cotton buds made? Cotton swabs or cotton buds are handled items that consist of one or two small wads of cotton wrapped around one or both ends of a short rod made of wood, rolled paper, or plastic. They are most commonly used for ear cleaning, although this is not recommended by physicians. But basic after bath, if there is any water is there in the inside, the earbuds will give a very good clearance to the ears also. So we can use it. But nowadays nobody is making with wood or otherwise with paper, but vastly using plastic, and both ends will be rounded up with cotton. That is the safest and the cheapest way. And next point is, how do I start a cotton bud business? License for trade. Trade license is very important to be acquired to start a buds manufacturing business. It can be obtained from the local bodies of the responsive for the respective states. MSME, that means that is MSME, small scale units, that is medium, small, and large units are there, that is MSME training is there, or SSI registration, small scale industries registration. Both are required to avail of the government schemes and benefits. One of the most obtain the MSME or SSI registration is important. Generally MSME is there, that is enough, but SSI is also required for healthcare. And next point is, what is cotton made of? What is cotton made of? Cotton, like the other plant fibers, is made of carbohydrate called cellulose. Cellulose is a polymer made up of glucose, a type of sugar. Glucose is made in the leaves of the cotton plant, which are filled with bright green chloroplasts. And next point is, cotton earbuds safe. The reason for this is often to clear ear wax from the ear canal. However, while it is safe to clean the outside of your ear with a cotton swab, it is best to avoid using them inside your ear. Externally you can use it, but inside we should be very careful. And using a cotton swabs inside your ear is associated with a variety of complications, including injury and infection. So that inside of the ear we should not use it, but external ear we can use it. Then there will be no problem, especially for wax cleaning. So this is the information regarding cotton bud making. Wishing you all the best.